Guys. So today I'm going to be opening a fidget blind bag. Okay, so it says fidget blind bag and it has a simple dimple on it. On the back it has common, uncommon, rare, ultra rare, and legendary. Yellow, green, red, blue, and pink. Well, without further ado, let's open it. So we just cut here, like so. Now that we have it open, let's see what's inside. So first, let's look at the bag rarity. We got pink! This is super cool. And let's see, pink is legendary. We got a legendary bag! Okay, let's open it. So first, ooh, we got a cotton candy tangle! This is super cool. I bet it's super rare because, I've never seen anyone with a cotton candy tangle before. Next, a DNA ball. It's super cute. It's so cool. Yay! Now, oh, it's a bike chain. This is epic. Next, ooh, it's a simple dimple. And it looks just like the one on the picture. Okay, here we go. Ooh, that's really cool. And lastly, a dimple! I'm super happy with this. Hope you liked the fidget blind bag. See you guys next time. Bye!